Alright, hey guys, this is One Man, One Camera. Today, we're taking a look at the Las Vegas Convention Center expansion. Right now, we're at Elvis Presley, and let's stop and take a peek. Now, if you see over there, wait a minute, right there, those are stairs, right? Stairway to heaven, stairway to the convention center, you take your pick. Alright, now, what's new with the convention center? Well, the budget was $935 million for the expansion, but they just added on an additional $45 million to make sure they could open in time for CES 2021. CES is pretty much a big showpiece here in Vegas. You get 180,000 attendees from like over 100 countries coming in to show off their wares or look at some things. So they want to make sure this thing is done on time with everything complete. And they got the work cut out for them. It looks like once you add on $45 million, then you know that you got to put a wiggle on it, as they say. All right, let's keep going. Well, the last time we were here, these little walls were not up at all. Another wall. All right, and there's the West Gate. This is the Paradise side of the facility, and they are making progress. And like I said, they added on a $45 million bounce to the funds, and so they are quite serious about getting this thing done on time. You know, I imagine that, contracts have been signed, spaces have probably been leased out or let out, however you want to call it, and they just really can't afford to miss CES at all. All right, now for the fun part. We're on Paradise. I got to get down to the convention way, and so let the fun begin. Life is a highway, I want to ride it all night long. Oh, cool, no cars are coming. Look, Ma, no hands. Hey, Ma, we're going hands. Okay, anyway. So check it out. This is the Paradise side of the convention center and a wall. Keep my hand on the bell. We are on Convention Center, and as you can see, I guess things go along fine. All right, looks good to me. My uneducated engineering eye. All right, I quite like the roof, how it has that hump on it. Yeah, looks pretty good. Now remember, safety first. Living injury-free every day. Always be safe, guys and dolls. Always be safe. As I ride on a bicycle with one hand, right? Ha! Okay. Let's check things out. All right, here we are. And so you get an idea of the form of how it's going to look at the shape of the place. Flat lines, a little bit of angles, a nice little hump on top. I see some porta potties or outhouses, they want to call it. A bus that broke down. Hey, all right. So, hang on, let's pass this bus up. All right. Now, all the workers are back in there just beavering away, doing their thing. But it is around, it is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon on a Friday. So I imagine most of those guys have knocked off for the day. I do believe they'll be working on Saturday, I do believe. All right, let's take a look down Debbie Reynolds Drive for a second. Now we're on Debbie Reynolds Drive, and also, in case you're wondering, the Majestic Hotel is supposed to be built right here. Now this will be a non-gaming hotel, more of a resort kind of spa place, but you know, no groundwork has been done yet, so I am not exactly sure what their schedule is. Take a look at the grand old Las Vegas Convention Center, and so it is a pretty big, you know, pretty big building. All right, let's get out of here. We're going to go back up to Convention Center and check out the glass. Now they have added more glass since our last time visiting this place. And under the blue tarps, I will presume those are escalators. And I think to the left, those are probably stairs, right? You have like you have an angle going down, and it flattens out, angle, and it flattens out, and then angle going down. All right. Okay, back some more glass. You see that? It does look pretty nice. Very, very nice. But like I said, they really need to open on time for CES 2021. I mean, they really are probably beating the drum for that. Hey guys, you gotta get it done. You gotta get it done. You gotta get it done. Yes, CES. Why don't you invite me in? I don't have the, forget that, I won't complain. Now there's the bridge right there, which attaches to the current Las Vegas Convention Center. And it's easy ramble. And don't forget, lest we forget, Elon Musk's Boring Company is actually that away. Whoop. That away. Guys, we're getting oh so close to the construction site of Elon Musk's People Mover. All right, let's find out what's happening. You know, I came here before, there was this tubing thing over here, but now it's gone. I guess it's being used or utilized. I think we're on Swenson. All right, so the People Mover starts over here on Swenson, and it goes all the way across underground to the far side of the convention center. It is due, I believe, to move, I think, 3,000 or 4,000 people per hour is what some report said. Now, true or not, I don't know. That's a lot of folks. So I'm not sure how big the cars are, but anyway, there's some activity going on over there. So hopefully that will come in on time, on budget, and also work. All right, you guys, your old pal, OneManOneCamera, saying thank you very much for joining me today. It's Friday night. It's time to find a little bit of beer somewhere. Not beer, I don't drink beer. Some of the whiskey? Who knows, all right? Anyway, as always, you guys, if you see me outside, say hello, and I'll say hello back. Take care of you. Have a great day. Adieu.